It's a 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. From its dominant exterior to its unrivaled road handling, you're about to go where you never thought possible. It comes with all the amenities you need: rear parking sensors, in-control Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, in-control apps, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, first and second row sunroof, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, and intercooled supercharged V6 engine. Car and driver find the Range Rover Sport's handling is impossibly sharp, especially considering it's a highly capable off-roader. You'll stand out in a Land Rover. The time is now. See it for yourself today.